Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Lockheed Martin Q2 2026 highlights include $1.4 billion hypersonic work, missile defense plants and counter-drone investment. Lockheed Martin said its second quarter of 2026 included new U.S. missile defense facilities, hypersonic contracts and counter-drone investments. The company also highlighted F-16 export growth, space defense work and continued testing with NASA. In Troy, Alabama, Lockheed Martin is building an 87,000 square foot munitions production center. The site will expand capacity for THAAD terminal high-altitude area defense interceptors and support future next-generation interceptor work. The company also opened an 88,000 square foot next-generation interceptor facility in Cortland, Alabama. Lockheed Martin said the site will use digital manufacturing to speed production and support U.S. missile defense capacity. Lockheed Martin said its collaboration with GM Defense is aimed at the U.S. defense industrial base. The work combines Lockheed Martin's defense background with GM Defense's high-volume commercial manufacturing capabilities. The company said the partnership is intended to increase production, improve supply chain resilience and expand manufacturing capacity. It said the effort supports faster delivery of military capabilities for national security needs. Peru's selection of 12 F-16 Block 70 aircraft was another second quarter highlight. Lockheed Martin said the decision expands its global fighter customer base and supports long-term sustainment opportunities. The company also invested $25 million in Fortum Technologies. Lockheed Martin said the investment will help deploy AI-enabled counter-UAS systems and expand production of affordable airspace defense solutions. Lockheed Martin also reported progress in live-fire counter-drone testing. The company integrated the Sanctum C UAS counter-unmanned aircraft system, the Grizzly containerized launcher and the JAGM missile in less than 45 days. The company said it was selected by the U.S. Space Force to advance space-based interceptor capabilities. Lockheed Martin linked their work to next-generation missile defense and layered homeland defense. In hypersonics, Lockheed Martin received $1.4 billion in U.S. Navy contract modifications for the Conventional Prompt Strike program. The awards cover engineering, systems integration, long-lead materials and production readiness across several U.S. facilities. The company said the Navy work supports its hypersonic portfolio and sustains high-skilled engineering and manufacturing jobs. It also said the contracts support the development and production of next-generation strike capabilities. Lockheed Martin also highlighted progress on the X-59 aircraft with NASA. The aircraft is moving through envelope expansion testing tied to quiet supersonic technology. The company included Military Appreciation Month activities in its second quarter update. It said it worked with Rebuilding Together to improve veterans' homes and with flags for fallen vets to honor fallen service members. Their second quarter update points to Lockheed Martin's focus on missile defense, hypersonics, counter-drone systems and advanced aviation. The company tied those activities to production capacity, industrial resilience and demand from the United States and its allies. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology.